real.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drknlvely. What up, Dark Knight Squad? This is the hairstyle that I will be showing you how I did it. Y'all requested it, y'all loved it on my Instagram, y'all blew it up. Thank you for all your love. Now I'm going to show you how I did it. Now it's not gonna be exactly the same because when I be doing these hairstyles for y'all, or when I be doing these hairstyles for me, I'm literally pulling it out of my ass, okay, and I'm just trying something out, and then it comes out to be something, you know. I'm making something out of nothing. Our hair is so beautiful when it twists and just when it's overlapping. So that's honestly half the time what I'm doing with my hair, because our hair is so beautiful and textured. If you just twist your hair and kind of like push it, it gives it this effect. So that's half of the time what I'm doing with my hair. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick hairstyle for you guys. It's a partial updo. Continue to follow me on all my social media. Continue to show me love on my YouTube channel. I appreciate all my new subscribers. I love you. Welcome to the Dark Knight Squad, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
So I